Ready to ditch the chaos and unlock serious profit with Honeybook. First, master client management. Ditch scattered emails and centralize everything: contracts, communication, and files all in one place. Notice how simple it is to track progress and stay organized. Next, get paid faster. Create professional invoices directly in Honeybook, offering multiple payment options like credit card or bank transfer. Set up automated payment reminders to wave goodbye to late payments forever. See how quickly you can generate a polished invoice. Now, let's talk automation magic. Design workflows to automate repetitive tasks, from initial inquiry to project completion. Automatically send questionnaire, contracts, and follow-up emails. Watch how this automation frees up your time to focus on what you love, ultimately boosting your income. Finally, track your success. Honeybook's reporting tools give you insights into your business performance. Identify your most profitable services, track your income, and make data-driven decisions to maximize your earning potential. All of this leading to more money in your pocket.